Hey guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. Today's project, I'm going to show you how to access files on a computer that you otherwise don't have access to. Let's get started. Today I have a laptop that belongs to a friend of mine that they no longer have access to the laptop. It has some special pictures on it that belong to their daughter, and the laptop screen is broke. They have no way to log in. They don't know the password. So I'm going to show you how we can access those documents on the hard drive of this laptop. So here are the steps we're going to go through to do this. First thing we're going to do is take apart this laptop. Now I've already taken it apart to spare you the agony of watching me take about 20 screws out. But I'll show you in general how it comes apart. Then we're going to get access to the hard drive, and we're going to pull the hard drive out, and then I have an adapter that will allow me to hook this hard drive to my Linux laptop, and I can access the files on it from there. So here's today's victim. This is a Dell laptop with a busted screen. No way to log into it to access the files on it. And there's some very important pictures on here that need to be pulled off and copied to a thumb drive so that my friend can access these files and pictures. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is we have to get access to the inside. Now, all laptops are not built the same. They don't all come apart the same. In general, if you get to the screws on the bottom, get those out, you can pretty much figure out how to get them apart. Now, this one had a battery in it. I removed the battery, removed all these screws all the way around, and then I can get access to the keyboard, and the keyboard will pop off. Usually you can take a plastic, I think they call these a spudging tool, and get in the cracks between the panels and pry up on them and they'll pop loose. And there's also some ribbons and cables that connected this top to the motherboard, and I've already unplugged those. So the next thing we're going to do is remove the hard drive, and this particular one is just plugged in, and all you have to do is just unplug it, pull it out, and remove it. Now at this point, we're done with this laptop, so we're going to get it out of the way. Alright, to access the files on this hard drive, I'm going to use this adapter. This is a SATA adapter, and what it will allow you to do is plug a hard drive in, or convert it to USB, then you can plug it into your computer, laptop, whatever you have, and it will mount this drive, and it will be available. I'll hook this up. It just plugs into the back of the hard drive, like so. Alright, now I'm going to take the USB end of this adapter, plug it in to the USB port on my laptop. See the light come on. It should show up on my screen as a mounted drive, and it does right here. I'm going to also plug in the thumb drive that I'm going to be copying these files to, and that should also show up as mounted. And there it is. And keep in mind, this is a Linux operating system. I actually removed Windows from this laptop because it was so slow I couldn't edit videos with. Installed Ubuntu with XFCE as the desktop flavor, and this laptop runs much quicker than it did before. First thing I want to do is I'm going to open up the drive, the thumb drive, and I'm going to add a folder. We'll call this pictures from laptop so that my friend can find these easily. I'm going to open this up, have it available so that I can easily copy the pictures and files and stuff to this thumb drive. Next, I'm going to open up the mounted drive. It has all the information on it, and as you can see, these are all directories that you would see in Windows if you had this hard drive hooked up in a laptop and was actually looking through the C drive in Windows, and you have access to all of this. The files that we're after are in Documents and Settings. Then we want to open up the folder with the login name of the person we want to access the files. And here are all the files from their login. The first thing we're after is pictures, so we're going to go to the Documents folder. I'm going to open up My Pictures, and I'm going to blur all these out. These are not my pictures, these are someone else's, and I don't think they would appreciate you seeing them, so I'm going to blur all these out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on one, Control A to select all of everything in this folder. Now I'm going to hit Control C. That will copy everything in this folder. I'm going to open up the other drive, the thumb drive, and I'm going to click Control V to paste all those. So this is going to take a little bit. I'll bring you back when it gets done.
3 hours later.
So those are finished copying, and I'll click on the 4 GB thumb drive here and show you that they're here. Pictures from laptop. Copied them all over. So now I'm going to go back and see if there's anything else we need to take off of this hard drive. No videos, no music. There are some files here that are, looks like some papers and stuff. I'm going to go ahead and copy those. Create another folder, Docs from laptop. Paste those. Alright, so we're done with that. I'll get these to the person they belong to, and I'm sure they'll be appreciative of it. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Give it a like. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more of Project DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you later.